In this quick video, I will show you how to add text in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe ITPK. On the bottom of your DaVinci Resolve, first go to Edit menu. In the top left of your DaVinci Resolve, please go to Effects. Now please toggle this button. You will get some more options here. Now please go ahead and click on Titles. Now here we have a lot of title and text example that we can add to our video timeline. Let's say we want to test some of these texts. Let me drag and drop on my timeline, and here are few options we could add in a text like settings or control. Let's see, I want to write here ITPK, and here you could see the ITPK text is added. You could just go ahead and use these options to customize the size, tracking, line spacing, or any other option you want to change. Here you want to change the font family, you want to change it bold, light, or regular, or you want to change the color. You could also go ahead and do that. It's now showing in yellow color. If you scroll down a bit further, you will find the Fusion title section. These are more advanced animated text effects ready to use. Just drag one into your timeline and it loads with built-in motion and styles. If you want to customize it, select the title and head to the inspector. You can tweak fonts, size, colors, position, and other settings to match your styles. Now, if you scroll down even more, you will see another subtitle option under the Fusion Titles section. Just like the Fusion titles, these also include built-in animation and styling. You can drag them into timeline and then customize the text, color, and layout in the inspector. But keep in mind, these are different from standard subtitles. Fusion subtitles are more visual and animated, while the subtitle tool above is meant for accurate time caption and translation. So if you want motion and style, use these Fusion subtitles option. If you want precise, readable caption for spoken content, stick with the standard subtitle tool. The next option is animated section, which includes a range of dynamic text effects. These are pre-built animation that you can simply drag onto your timeline and customize in the inspector. And just below that, you will see some predefined animated subtitles. These are great if you want a quick caption style with motion already built in. Just edit the text and you are done. And that's how you add text in latest version of DaVinci Resolve, from simple titles to animated and styled subtitles. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have got questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.